Well, I'm a Healthy Workplace champion, so I help to promote the scheme to colleagues, and also I do all our internal communications such as the intranet site and staff newsletter, so I promote any activities that we're doing on those as well.
The Workplace Champions are really important because they're the key communication between myself, the project coordinator, and the senior management, but also the staff. So I can set up the health action plans within the workplace and roll out the healthy activities with the help of that workplace champion and their cooperation. So they play a vital role in setting up any workplace programme.
The very fact that they're all taking part in the back care, the stress talks, the stop smoking stuff, it means that there's something there, and they just needed a bit of prodding, you know. The football, again, it's there, they want to do it, it just needs someone to organise it for them and give them the impetus to do it.
If you were too serious with it, I think the guys would not be so forthcoming, don't want a heavy hand on them. They like to keep it light-hearted, and so do we. That's how we work best. So we don't want people to feel like they're being forced into it. So
being a health advocate's really good. The first thing you've got to do is speak to your staff, though, because your staff know how they feel in themselves, and once they've told you how they feel, you can engineer campaigns and choices for your staff to direct them the right way.
With all the initiatives now, people are starting to realise that we're actually doing it for them, and it's things that they're asking for. They make the decisions, they provide the focus, and they actually seeing the benefits of what we're doing.
It's been really interesting to see how many people, we've got coaches, we've got people who are runners. You know, we asked if people already had a certain level of fitness, and we've got a lot of people who already do a lot of sport and that already in the organisation, and we've kind of tapped into that as well.
We're actually volunteering to run courses and events for other members of staff.
So really my involvement's just trying to help support and encourage and give ideas and sort of signpost them to what's happening locally and to support that, but also, you know, what we can do around resources and tools and awareness campaigns that are already existing.
As long as you inform the staff all the way about what you're doing, they really get on board and engage. And that can be quite difficult for a health at work project coordinator when you're dealing with staff from routine and manual occupations who may never have heard of it, any concept like this before. But when you go in and they start to familiarise with you and they get to know you and you start laying on activities that they like, it certainly turns around and they're really then into it, and they really appreciate the benefits they get from a health at work project.
There's not a lot to organise with it. It doesn't have to be expensive, and the benefits are just huge, you know, not just for the company but for the employees and their personal well-being and their morale. It's absolutely fantastic.